How much should you actually spend on a microfiber spin mop? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, while others swear by the expensive brands. It's a bit interesting, right? Let's break down what really matters in a spin mop.
Product number 1, O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. The O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop caught my eye with its unique hands-free wringing feature, priced at about $34.96. If you want a hassle-free mopping experience, this is worth a serious look. This mop solves your cleaning problems with its advanced microfiber technology that captures dirt and grime without needing harsh chemicals. The built-in wringer lets you twist the mop to remove excess water easily, meaning no more wet floors after mopping. With a telescopic handle that extends up to 48 inches, you can mop comfortably without bending over. Plus, it's machine washable, so you won't be needing to buy replacements every month. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're like most people, you want a mop that does the heavy lifting without making your back hurt and without breaking the bank. This one delivers. Now, some people complained about the weight of the bucket. Here's the thing though, if you're just doing light cleaning, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. But if you're planning to carry it up and down stairs often, you might want to consider that. This is perfect for you if you have hard flooring and want a no-fuss cleaning routine. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for frequent carrying. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if the O-Cedar mop's weight was a concern for you, the next option might just be the lightweight solution you're looking for.
Product number 2, O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket with extra refills, retailing at around $44.96. If you want peace of mind knowing you have backups, this is definitely worth considering. This system not only mops, but removes over 99% of bacteria with just water, which is perfect if you're sensitive to chemicals. The design includes a foot pedal for hands-free wringing, so you won't have to deal with messy hands while mopping. The extra refills mean you won't be caught off guard by a dirty mop when cleaning time comes. Here's why this matters for you. Having extra mop heads means you can rotate them for different areas in your home without spreading dirt around. However, some users noted that the bucket can be a bit cumbersome. Here's the thing, if you have larger spaces to clean, the benefits outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for busy households that appreciate efficiency and cleanliness. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option without the extras. For the quality and convenience, it's a solid buy. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for keeping your water clean while you mop. Product number 3, O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System. The O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System is priced at $59.96, and it's designed to keep your cleaning water clean. If you hate the thought of mopping with dirty water, this could be your new best friend. This mop lets you clean with fresh water every time, which is a game changer. It also removes over 99% of bacteria, just like the others, but the built-in foot pedal allows you to control how much water you use, saving you time and effort. It's machine washable, so you won't have to worry about maintenance. This is great if you have kids or pets, as it keeps allergens and dirt at bay. However, some reviews mention that it can take a bit of practice to get the spin just right. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. This is perfect for anyone who wants a more hygienic option for their floors. Skip this one if you're looking for something very basic or cheaper. Considering its unique features, it's worth it. Now, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option to keep your mop heads fresh, the next product might just catch your eye. Product number 4, 4-pack mop heads replacements for O-Cedar. If you're looking for replacement mop heads, the 4-pack mop heads replacements for O-Cedar is just $9.99. If you want to keep your cleaning efficient, this is a great value. These microfiber mop heads fit perfectly with your O-Cedar system and promise to last for a year. Made of high-quality microfiber, they won't scratch your floors, making them ideal for all smooth surfaces. The machine washable feature means you can clean them easily and reuse them, which saves money in the long run. Here's why this matters for you. You get to keep your cleaning budget in check while ensuring your mop is always ready for action. However, some users found that they didn't fit well with other brands. Here's the thing, if you're using O-Cedar, you should be good to go, but it's a note to keep in mind if you're mixing brands. This is perfect for anyone wanting to keep their O-Cedar mop in top shape without overspending. Skip this one if you don't own an O-Cedar mop system. At this price, it's a steal. Now, if you want something with a larger cleaning surface, let's check out the next product.
Product number 5, Costway Portable Washing Machine. The Costway Portable Washing Machine offers a larger capacity for those needing more laundry power. Priced at $149.99, this twin tub washer caught my eye for its convenience and efficiency. With a capacity of 26 pounds, you can wash and spin dry clothes simultaneously, making it incredibly efficient for busy households. It features a timer function with settings for gentle and normal cycles, and the built-in drain pump makes it easy to handle dirty water. This washer has quickly become popular, with over 100 units sold recently, indicating a solid demand for portable solutions. But some users mentioned it can be a bit bulky for small spaces. Here's the thing though, if you have the room and need to wash for a larger family, this machine offers a lot of flexibility and saves time on laundry days. This is perfect for you if you have a larger household or need to wash items like sheets frequently. Skip this if you have extremely limited space, as it may not fit. At $149.99, it's a worthwhile investment for a powerful portable machine.
To wrap it up, we've seen the O-Cedar EasyWring for hassle-free mopping, the EasyWring with extra refills for convenience, the RinseClean for keeping your water fresh, the replacement mop heads for budget-savvy cleaning, and the Micro-Twist Max for larger areas. Each one has its perks, so think about what matters most to you. Happy cleaning!